Welcome to the ultimate nacho experience, where every chip is a canvas for flavor. So indulge your senses as we unveil the art of nacho crafting in this deluxe edition. It's Nacho Average Snack. And now I'll quickly show you how to prepare the ingredients. Remove the seeds and pulp from the tomatoes. I'll be using this to make a tomato salsa. You can also have the ingredients separately, but I find this way I'm incorporating more flavor from a salsa than having plain ingredients. I've removed the seeds from the jalapenos and I'm going to dice this one up. I'll be using 2 in this video. The other jalapeno will be sliced for the nacho garnish. Let's work on some red onions and then chop up some cilantro. Let's work on the avocado for the guacamole. I'll give them a rough chop to make it easy for smashing. To get that punchy, vibrant, fresh taste, a good use of lime and salt will help elevate your guacamole's flavor. For this recipe, I will add some diced jalapeno and tomato with a good pinch of cilantro for that extra kick. The red onion and tomato in this bowl will be used to make the salsa. Let's give this a good mix. Don't forget to taste. And once we're happy with those flavors, take some saran wrap and cover the bowl. Make sure the saran wrap touches the avocado so that the avocado does not turn brown or oxidize. Put that out the way. Let's complete the tomato salsa. Some of those diced jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and seasoning. I will use this salsa between the layers, and if you keep watching, you'll see how I utilize the rest of the salsa. After a few minutes of seasoning, you will see a bit of the tomato and lime juice at the bottom of the bowl. This is all about that lovely flavor. Got the olives and the jalapenos ready to go. These peppers are just optional. I happen to have extras that I wanted to use up. But sticking with the jalapenos is what we need. Take a look at this, nice and colorful. Almost there, ready to assemble the nachos. Our chicken tinga is ready, and this is what I'm using as my meat option. You can keep it meatless if you wish, or you could add ground beef or whatever you choose to. Quick glance of our preparation for this nacho extravaganza. Let's assemble the nachos. You can do this the same way I am, or you could use 2 pie pans or 2 foil pans. Spread some nachos on the base of the pan. Try to make it as evenly as possible, and then top it with some cheese. I'm using Tex-Mex for this recipe. Remember that salsa? This is where we'll be using that right on top of the cheese. Green onion, olives, some of those diced jalapenos, and a special ingredient that just takes this nachos to another level. Chicken tinga, a spiced, slightly tomato flavored chicken. I have the recipe right here in the playlist. Replicate on this plate. The cheeses you can use on this nachos are a blend of mozzarella and Monterey Jack, also cheddar with mozzarella. A jalapeno jack cheese will do just fine, and an authentic Mexican nachos would have a Mexican cream. This softens just enough to cling onto the chips so it's not soggy. Okay, it's ready for the oven, 350 degrees, and we want to put this nachos, both of them in, until the cheese is nice and melty. So I had made 2 plates of nachos, so the second layer is going to slide right on top. This way you'd never ever get a dry chip. As I said earlier, every chip is a canvas for flavor. And this is where we utilize the rest of the salsa. Right on top, accompanied by sour cream and that delicious guacamole we made earlier. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a flavorful update from our kitchen. Thanks for watching. So this is where we complete the dish with some jalapenos. I'm putting on those extra peppers. Some cilantro for that fresh hit, and olives for that saltiness. And there you have it. Let's take a closer look. Cheesy chips, spicy jalapenos and chicken tinga, savory onion, salty tortilla chips, fresh tomatoes, guacamole, and a cooling sour cream. Simply awesome.